Have you ever felt like there's an invisible force blocking your financial success? No matter how hard you try, what if the key to unlocking wealth wasn't in the physical world but in the unseen realms beyond? Imagine waking up in a golden lit temple, the air humming with energy, and realizing you have stepped into a higher plane where wealth flows effortlessly. Many spiritual practitioners and mystics believe that astral plane holds powerful energy that can help you manifest success, wealth, and financial freedom faster than you ever imagined. Astral projection is a fascinating phenomenon where your consciousness separates from your physical body, allowing you to explore different realms beyond the material world. Some believe that within these higher planes of existence lies an abundance of universal wisdom, including secrets to financial success. The idea is that by accessing the astral world, you can align yourself with wealth frequencies, remove subconscious money blocks, and even receive guidance from higher beings who understand the true essence of prosperity. One of the most compelling aspects of astral projection is the idea that thoughts and energy create reality instantly in the astral realm. Unlike the physical world, where action and patience are required to build wealth, the astral plane operates on pure intention and vibration. This is why many believe that by accessing this state, they can directly reprogram their subconscious minds for abundance. Your first step into the astral plane to begin setting a clear intention is crucial. Before attempting astral projection, take a moment to affirm your goal. As you lie down to sleep or enter a meditative state, repeat a powerful statement such as, "Tonight I will travel beyond my physical self and connect with the vibration of unlimited wealth." This simple but powerful declaration primes your mind for a successful experience. A popular method for inducing an out of body experience is the rope technique. Imagine a rope hanging above you. Close your eyes and relax completely. And visualize yourself reaching out with your astral hands to grab the rope. Slowly pull yourself upward, feeling as though your spirit is lifting away from your body. A tingling sensation may rush through your spine, and soon you might feel as if you are floating weightlessly. As you continue to climb, you may notice a shift in perception, a deep silence, a gentle glow, or a feeling of complete liberation. Support our channel by ordering Lord's Ordinary Children by Gitashri Pani and Reversed Order Existence by Blissful Burst. For book publishing, marketing, consultancy, and collaborations, visit blissfulburst.com. Discovering the Astral Abundance Temple. Once you find yourself in the astral plane, focus on your financial aspirations. Many practitioners believe in the existence of an astral abundance temple, a mystical place where the secrets of prosperity are stored. As you set your intention to visit this sacred space, you may feel an invisible pull guiding you toward a grand temple shimmering with golden light. The air crackles with energy, and the scent of jasmine and sandalwood fills your senses. Walking inside, you might see walls lined with glowing symbols, pulsating with ancient wisdom. Here, spirit guides or enlightened beings may approach you, whispering insights on wealth, prosperity, and financial success. Meeting your future wealthy self. Another powerful experience during astral travel is the ability to meet your future wealthy self. In the astral world, time is fluid, which means you can visit a version of yourself that has already achieved immense financial success. Imagine walking through a radiant hallway and seeing yourself confident, radiant, exuding an aura of abundance. As you observe this future version, notice how they speak, how they think, and what wisdom they carry. They may offer you advice, show you a specific action to take, or even hand you a symbolic object that represents prosperity in your waking life. Absorb their energy, their confidence, and their clarity, knowing that you are aligning yourself with the same frequency of wealth. Returning with wealth energy. Returning from an astral journey is as important as the experience itself. As you prepare to come back to your physical body, take a few moments to recall the experiences you have gained. Feel the energy of abundance sinking into your being. Focus on your breath. Visualize yourself gently descending back into your body and slowly wiggle your fingers and toes to ground yourself. Keep a journal nearby to write down everything you remember, as these insights can provide valuable guidance for your financial journey. Many people who practice astral projection for wealth manifestation report sudden shifts in their financial reality. Unexpected opportunities arise. Creative business ideas flow effortlessly, and old limiting beliefs about money begin to dissolve. The key is to trust the process and apply the wisdom you receive. If you receive guidance on a new business idea, take action. If your future self suggests a mindset shift, embrace it fully. Ready to unlock astral wealth? Skepticism is natural, but the best way to determine if astral projection can enhance your wealth consciousness is to try it yourself. Approach it with an open mind, a sense of curiosity, and a willingness to explore the unknown. Even if you don't achieve a full out of body experience immediately, the practice of aligning your mind with financial abundance in a meditative state can still yield incredible results. Astral projection is not just about exploring the universe. It is a tool for transformation and manifestation. By using it to connect with wealth consciousness, you can unlock new pathways to success, financial freedom, and a life of abundance. The next time you lay down to sleep, remember the answers to your financial dreams might already exist beyond this physical world, waiting for you to reach out and claim them. Are you ready to experience this for yourself? Try this technique tonight and let me know what you discovered. Comment below if you have ever had an astral experience related to wealth, or if you are excited to try this tonight. Thank you for watching this video. I am Blaze Goldburst. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and share this video with as many people as possible to get aware of this process. Thank you.